Optical fiber. An optical fiber is a glass or plastic fiber that carries light along its length. They are arranged in bundles called optical cables and used to transmit light signals over long distances. Guiding of light by refraction, the principle that makes fiber optics possible, was first demonstrated by Daniel Colladon and Jacques Babinet in Paris in the early 1840s. If you look closely at a single optical fiber, you will see that it has the following parts. Core, thin glass center of the fiber where the light travels. Cladding, outer optical material surrounding the core that reflects the light back into the core. Buffer coating, plastic coating that protects the fiber from damage and moisture. Hundreds of thousands of these optical fibers are arranged in bundles in optical cables. The bundles are protected by the cable's outer covering called a jacket. Optical fibers come in two types: single model fibers and multi-model fibers. Fiber optic cables carry information between two places using entirely optical technology. Suppose you wanted to send information from your computer to a friend's house down the street using fiber optics. You could hook your computer up to a laser, which would convert electrical information from the computer into a series of light pulses. Then you'd fire the laser down the fiber optic cable. After traveling down the cable, the light beams would emerge at the other end. Your friend would need a photocell to turn the pulses of light back into electrical information his or her computer could understand. So the whole apparatus would be like a really neat high-tech version of the kind of telephone you can make out of two baked bean cans and a length of string. Optical fibers carry light signals down them in modes. A mode is the path that a light beam follows down the fiber. One mode is simply to go straight down the middle of the fiber. Another is to bounce down the fiber at a shallow angle. Other modes involve bouncing down the fiber at other angles more or less steep. Optical fibers are widely used in fiber optic communications, which permits transmission over longer distances and at higher bandwidths than other forms of communications.